NordVPN, which has firmly established itself as a stalwart in the VPN industry, particularly for Android users. It stands out not just for its ability to secure digital activities, but also for its commitment to delivering a high-speed, user-friendly experience. Central to NordVPN's appeal is its deployment of RAM-only servers, a feature that significantly boosts privacy. For Android users, this means every time the server reboots, your data is completely wiped clean, leaving no traces of your online activity. Coupled with an audited no-logs policy and their base in privacy-friendly Panama, NordVPN ensures that your information remains confidential and secure. Plus, NordVPN does not compromise on speed, a crucial factor for a modern Android user. Its proprietary NordLynx protocol, built around the WireGuard technology, is optimized for rapid connections, ensuring that your streaming, browsing, and downloading are smooth and lag-free. This speed is especially beneficial when using data-intensive apps on your Android device. For Android users, NordVPN offers a range of features designed to enhance the mobile VPN experience. First, they offer Threat Protection Lite. This feature adds an extra layer of security by protecting your device from malicious websites, ensuring safe browsing on your Android. They also have Meshnet, which is an innovative feature allowing you to create a secure network with other devices, ideal for safe file sharing or multiplayer gaming. They also have a double VPN for those seeking additional privacy. A double VPN server encrypts your traffic twice, providing an extra layer of security. Tapjacking protection. This security measure warns you of potential overlay attacks, a common concern for Android users. Despite these advanced features, NordVPN maintains a balance between functionality and simplicity. The Android app is intuitively designed with easy navigation and quick access to essential functions, making it suitable for both VPN veterans and newcomers. NordVPN subscription plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, allowing Android users to experience a full range of features with no risk to them. This feature, combined with its strong focus on security and speed, makes NordVPN a top contender for Android users, providing a comprehensive solution for your online security and privacy needs. When selecting a VPN for your Android device, consider the following key aspects. First up, security features. Look for VPNs with strong encryption, like AES 256-bit, to ensure that your data is secure. A reliable kill switch and no logs policy are also essential for maintaining your privacy. Speed and performance. Choose a VPN that offers fast speeds and stable connections to ensure a smooth experience, especially when streaming or gaming. A user-friendly interface. An intuitive and easy-to-navigate app is crucial, especially if you're not a tech-savvy individual. Server networks. A vast network of server networks provides you more options for geo-blocking and generally better speeds due to less crowding on one specific network. Unique Android features. Consider VPNs that offer Android-specific features like GPS override, ad blocking, or custom DNS settings for enhanced functionality. These aren't paid promotions, but we do receive a small commission if you use our links, and that is a great way to support our channel and help us bring more insightful content to all of you, while also ensuring that you are getting access to special offers on the top VPNs. Your support is immensely appreciated, and we look forward to continuing to serve as your guide in the digital world.